Some high heat as well. We are just really to the north of it, and we've gotten a chance to see some more seasonable temperatures lately, as well as a drop in the humidity too. But we will likely see some changes and possibly get into some of that heat as we head into next week. Let's talk about, though, how we kind of work our way there. And right now, we do have a pleasant start to the day. Have some clouds that are passing on by, but they'll be moving out shortly. The sun's starting to come up, and we got some neat colors out there as the sun does rise, and a pretty pleasant start to the day. Temperatures are in the low to mid 60s, slightly warmer than where we were yesterday, so it doesn't have that cool, refreshing feeling like yesterday, but it's still pretty comfortable outside, all things considered, for a middle of July day. We have the dew points down around 60 degrees at the moment. Really not bad place to be, and we are going to have some of that lower humidity around for this afternoon. Though, as we warm up and we have that full-on sunshine, it's still going to be feeling pretty toasty and warm out there as we climb up into the low to mid 80s for highs today, but keeping it close to normal and not going to have that super uncomfortable sticky feeling around just yet, at least. So for today, with that drier air in place, we once again will stay quiet, just a few clouds passing by here and there. And then later tonight, there will be a cold front that comes in, a weak one that comes in from east to west. And what that will do is perhaps lead to a few clouds, maybe a few sprinkles pop up, but we still will have some dry air in place. We then will have that front kind of lingering around the region, and it will be the focus for some showers and storms as the disturbance comes in Thursday night into Friday. So the winds start to pick up out of the south. We get this moisture that gets pulled in, and then the chance for some showers and thunderstorms as we head into Friday. The question is still on the exact timing of things, as well as the placement, because it's possible that most of this activity ends up to our west, right over us, or to our east. So there's still a question of where exactly it goes, but we could have some locally heavy rainfall with some of these showers and thunderstorms as it continues during especially the first half of the day on Friday, and then we may see some additional rain on Saturday as well. What's going on has to do with that high heat that is in place in parts of the country and this ring of fire pattern, which we talked about last week, which was the reason for our multiple rounds of rain, and now that's coming back into the picture. We had gotten this pushed off to our south and west, and now it's going to start to migrate back to the east. So on the edge of this heat, which is under the high pressure here, there will be an agitated atmosphere and multiple rounds of showers and storms, and we'll start to see some of that between Friday and Saturday. And as that continues to then push to the east, we could end up under some of the heat as we head into next week, and we'll see not just an increase in the temperatures, but an increase in that humidity going from the it's kind of sticky range to back to the gross range as we head into the weekend, and that could last for a while as we head into next week as our temperatures also go up. So we are going to be hanging out in the low to mid 80s the next few days. We'll have the chance of rain at its highest on Friday, a few showers and storms possible on Saturday. We dry out, but stay hot and likely staying pretty humid as we head into next week.